Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'd like to show you how you can use ChatGPT to help you design your star schema for your Power BI reports. So let's get started. And over to ChatGPT, let's power up our Power BI Expert GPT. So I created this GPT in the last video. I'll put all the links below. So let me just put in my prompt. Zoom in on the prompt so you can see. Hello Power BI Expert GPT. I need help identifying the fact tables, dimensions, grain of data and measures in my data set. Here are the first 5 rows in my data set. So let me just send it over first. So let's see the reply. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. Before we dive in, could you please let me know your Power BI expertise level? Enter 1 for beginner, 2 for intermediate, or 3 for advanced. I'll just say I'm a beginner for 1. Okay, it says great. Let's get started by understanding your data set. Could you please upload the file or provide the first 5 rows of your data set? This will help me identify the fact table, dimensions, grain of data, and measures for you. Okay, let me just copy this information in. Let's send it over to our GPT. Okay, so now you can go through the fact table, dimension tables, grain of data and measures as identified by our GPT. Okay, so look at all that and confirm if that's fine with you or not. So then, okay, next I'll enter a second prompt. Can you provide the visualization of the star schema model based on my data set, please? Okay, let's send it over to our GPT. Okay, since it cannot create the image for us because we don't have the Plus account, we'll just ask it to provide a detailed text description of star schema. Okay, so let's have a look at the replies. The fact table with all the columns, yep, that's fine. The dimension tables, we've got the date dimensions, customer dimension, product dimension, that's perfect. With the ship mode, yes, that's perfect. And then it has given us the relationships as well, and that's awesome because now I can quickly identify relationships to create between the fact table and the dimension tables. So there you go. This is how you can use ChatGPT to help you design your star schema model for your Power BI reports. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.